Good morning everyone. Today we're going to do some hand reflexology points for stress and anxiety. First, make sure that you have applied enough lubrication on the hands with cream or oil that you have in your house. Now, the first spot that we'll be looking at is the solar plexus. If you come down the middle finger, in the middle of the hand is your solar plexus. Now you will be pushing in, holding the spot and releasing. When you apply pressure down, you'll be breathing in and out. And in and out. You can repeat this for about 5 times. After the solar plexus, we are going to work on the diaphragm, which is this line all across. So you'll be starting from the inside, working your way out. If you do find a spot that is a little bit sensitive, you can always concentrate a bit more on that. You can also do a stroking movement if that feels better. Now, after we've done the solar plexus and the diaphragm, we're going to go over to the shoulder. So, the finger, this little bubble here. So we'll be working up. This can be quite sensitive. You can feel some gritty spots and you can concentrate more on that as well. There we go. So we've had solar plexus, diaphragm, shoulder. Now we're going to go over to the adrenals. Now if you open your hand, there will be the fleshy bit, and where the fleshy bit ends is the adrenals. It can be quite a sensitive area, so keep on pumping on that spot. Okay, after the adrenals, we can go over to the neck. Again, that's at the base of the thumb. So you work it across. That can also be a little bit gritty at some spots. You can concentrate on that. From the neck, you can go up the thumb, which is going up into the head area. And you can concentrate on the fingerprint area of the thumb. Now once you've completed all these steps, just rub your hands, give it a bit of a rub everywhere, all over, and then you can continue to the other hand. Thank you very much and enjoy.